Right now, as you're reading this, your leg muscles are slowly disappearing. Every single morning you wake up, you've lost a little more strength than you had the night before. And the terrifying part? You won't notice until it's too late to walk upstairs, get out of a chair, or catch yourself from falling. Scientists call it sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it's stealing your independence one morning at a time. I'm Dr. Bill Harrison, geriatric medicine specialist. Yesterday at 3:17 p.m., I watched a 71-year-old woman try to stand up from my exam table. Her legs shook, her knees buckled. She grabbed the wall to keep from falling. 6 months ago, she was walking 3 miles every morning. What happened in those 6 months will shock you. Before I reveal the morning mistake that destroyed her leg strength, I need to know who's at risk. Type 1 in the comments if you've noticed your legs feeling weaker or heavier lately. Type 0 if your leg strength feels the same as always. This helps me understand who needs this information most urgently. Today, I'm exposing the 5 breakfast foods that can stop muscle loss in its tracks and rebuild your leg strength after 60. Plus, 5 morning habits that take less than 3 minutes but can mean the difference between walking independently at 80 or needing a walker at 70. If you're over 60 and want to keep your independence, hit that subscribe button for inspired living right now. What you learn today could save you from a wheelchair tomorrow. Let me tell you about Barbara Henderson, the patient who changed how I think about senior muscle loss forever. Barbara, 71, came to me 6 months ago. Former marathon runner, ate healthy, never missed her vitamins. But every morning she made one critical mistake. She'd wake up, drink black coffee, and skip breakfast until noon. "I'm not hungry in the morning," she'd say. Meanwhile, her body was literally eating her leg muscles for fuel. After 8 hours without food, your body enters what we call a catabolic state. It starts breaking down muscle tissue for energy. And guess which muscles it targets first? The big ones in your legs, your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. These large muscle groups are like your body's emergency fuel tank. By skipping breakfast, Barbara was programming her body to destroy the very muscles she needed to stay mobile. The morning I examined her, Barbara couldn't do a single leg raise. Her thigh muscles had shrunk by 40%. She needed both hands to push herself up from a chair. Her walking speed had slowed to a shuffle, all because she didn't understand what happens in those critical first hours after waking. Let me show you exactly which foods can stop this muscle destruction and rebuild your strength, starting tomorrow morning. Breakfast food, number 1. Whole eggs, the muscle rebuilding powerhouse. Stanley Mitchell, 75, could barely walk to his mailbox without resting. His legs felt like jelly every morning. His doctor was considering a walker. Then he started eating 2 whole eggs within an hour of waking. 6 weeks later, he was walking his dog 2 miles without stopping. Here's why eggs work so powerfully. They contain leucine, an amino acid that literally switches on muscle building in your body. Think of leucine as a construction foreman telling your muscles, "Start rebuilding now." Seniors need more leucine than younger people to get the same effect, about 3 grams per meal, and 2 eggs provide exactly that amount. But don't throw away those yolks. The yolk contains vitamin D, B12, and iron, all critical for muscle function and blood flow to your legs. Studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show seniors who eat 2 whole eggs daily improve their walking speed by 23% in just 8 weeks. The key: eat them boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled. Avoid frying in oil. Have them within 60 minutes of waking to stop overnight muscle breakdown immediately. Breakfast food. Number 2. Oatmeal with chia seeds, the strength stabilizer. Margaret Phillips, 68, had terrible morning leg cramps that made her afraid to get out of bed. Some nights, she'd wake up crying from the pain. She started eating oatmeal with a tablespoon of chia seeds every morning. Within 2 weeks, the cramps vanished and her legs felt steady again. Oatmeal provides beta-glucan, a fiber that keeps your blood sugar stable. Why does this matter for your legs? When blood sugar crashes, your body can't deliver nutrients to muscles properly. Your legs get weak and shaky. You might even experience that dreaded jelly leg feeling. Add chia seeds and you get magnesium, the mineral that stops muscle cramps and spasms. Most seniors are dangerously low in magnesium, which is why their legs cramp at night or feel stiff in the morning. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds provides 30% of your daily magnesium needs. Together, oatmeal and chia create the perfect environment for muscle repair. Your legs get steady energy, proper minerals, and the building blocks they need to stay strong. Breakfast food number 3. Bananas. The cramp destroyer, Robert Chin, 72, used to wake up screaming from leg cramps. His calves would seize up so badly he couldn't walk for minutes. His wife would massage his legs while he gritted his teeth in pain. His doctor found his potassium levels were dangerously low. 1 banana every morning changed everything. Bananas deliver 400 milligrams of potassium, the mineral your muscles need to contract properly. Without enough potassium, your leg muscles misfire. They cramp, twitch, or simply refuse to work when you need them. But here's the warning. If you have diabetes or kidney problems, you need to be careful. Choose slightly green bananas. They have less sugar and more resistant starch. Or eat half a banana with protein like Greek yogurt to prevent blood sugar spikes. The transformation can be dramatic. Robert hasn't had a single leg cramp in 4 months. He says it's like getting his legs back after years of suffering. If this information about potassium and leg cramps is new to you, type 1 in the comments. Type 0 if you already knew this connection. Your feedback helps Inspired Living create better content. Breakfast food number 4. Greek yogurt, the overnight muscle protector. Janet Morrison, 77, was losing muscle so fast her doctor was alarmed. She'd lost 15 pounds in 6 months, all from her legs and arms. Her daughter was researching assisted living facilities. Then she started eating Greek yogurt every morning. The muscle loss stopped within weeks. Greek yogurt contains casein protein, which digests slowly and feeds your muscles for hours. While you sleep, your body breaks down muscle. Greek yogurt in the morning immediately reverses this process. It's like switching your body from destroy mode to rebuild mode. 1 serving has 17 grams of protein, more than enough to stop muscle breakdown. It also provides calcium and vitamin D for bone strength. Remember, weak bones mean weak muscles. They work together. Plus, the probiotics in Greek yogurt improve nutrient absorption, making sure your muscles actually get the protein you're eating. Choose plain Greek yogurt, not the sugary flavored kinds. Add berries or chia seeds if you need sweetness. The goal is protein, not dessert. Breakfast food. Number 5, sweet potato with mineral salt, the energy restorer. William Torres, 69, felt exhausted every morning. His legs were heavy like he was walking through mud. His energy would crash by 10 a.m., leaving him unable to do his gardening. Then he discovered the power of sweet potato with Celtic salt for breakfast. Sweet potatoes restore muscle glycogen, the energy stored in your muscles. After fasting all night, your leg muscles are depleted. They need complex carbs to refuel. Sweet potatoes provide this without spiking blood sugar like white bread would. The Celtic salt adds 80 trace minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals help muscles contract properly and prevent morning stiffness. William now has energy all morning, and his legs feel 20 years younger. Steam half a sweet potato and add just a pinch of Celtic or Himalayan salt. Eat it warm as your first food of the day, even before your main breakfast. It primes your muscles for strength and movement. Now I need to share the 5 morning habits that multiply the power of these foods. These take less than 3 minutes, but can save you from a walker or wheelchair. Morning habit. Number 1. Warm water with mineral salt. Carol Jackson, 74, used to stumble getting out of bed. Her legs felt wooden and unresponsive. Then she started drinking warm water with a tiny pinch of Celtic salt first thing. The change was immediate. After sleeping, you're dehydrated. Your muscles are stiff. Your blood is thick. This warm mineral water rehydrates muscle cells, improves nerve signals, and gets blood flowing to your legs. It's like oiling a rusty hinge. Mix 8 ounces warm water with 1/5 teaspoon Celtic or Himalayan salt. Drink it before anything else. Your legs will feel lighter and more responsive within minutes. Morning habit. Number 2, 3-minute leg activation. David Kim, 78, was headed for a walker. His legs were so weak he couldn't trust them. His children were worried he'd fall. Then he started this simple routine. Stand by a chair. Slowly lift one leg 2 to 4 inches. Hold for 10 seconds. Switch legs. 5 times each side. This wakes up the sensors in your muscles that tell your brain where your legs are. It activates your hips, thighs, and calves. It's like turning on the power to your lower body. David ditched his cane after just 1 month of this simple exercise. Morning habit. Number 3. Never rush out of bed. Patricia Gonzalez, 70, fell and broke her hip getting up too fast one morning. Now she knows better. When you jump up quickly, blood pressure drops. Your brain doesn't get enough oxygen. You get dizzy and fall. Take 3 deep breaths lying down. Sit up slowly. Rotate your ankles and wrists for 30 seconds. Then stand and pause before walking. This prevents 90% of morning falls. Morning habit. Number 4. 5 minutes of morning sunlight. Joseph Anderson, 73, had such weak legs his doctor tested for vitamin D. His levels were dangerously low, under 20 when they should be over 30. 5 minutes of morning sun through his window changed everything. His leg strength improved dramatically. Vitamin D is crucial for muscle function. Without it, your legs literally can't work properly. Just 5 minutes of sunlight on your skin starts vitamin D production. Stronger bones mean stronger muscles. Morning habit number 5. Never stay hungry. After waking Sandra White, 76, thought skipping breakfast helped her lose weight. Instead, she lost muscle. Her legs got so weak she needed help getting dressed. When she started eating within an hour of waking, her strength returned. Every minute you stay hungry after waking, your body eats more muscle. Even a small bite, half an egg, a spoonful of yogurt, stops this process. Feed your muscles or lose them. It's that simple. Count how many of these muscle-destroying mistakes you're making. Skipping breakfast, no morning protein, missing minerals, dehydration, rushing out of bed, no leg activation, staying hungry too long. Type that number in the comments. If it's 3 or more, your muscles are in serious danger. Remember Barbara Henderson from the beginning? She couldn't stand without help because she skipped breakfast every day. Now she eats eggs and Greek yogurt every morning, does her leg exercises, and just completed a 5K walk for charity. I got my life back, she told me with tears of joy. All from changing my mornings. You can have the same transformation. Start tomorrow with just 1 change. Maybe it's eating 2 eggs. Maybe it's the warm mineral water. Pick one and do it consistently for a week, then add another. Your legs are counting on the decisions you make each morning. Feed them or lose them. Activate them or watch them weaken. The choice is yours, but time is not on your side. Share this video with everyone over 60 you care about. Barbara's family wishes someone had warned her sooner. Be that warning for someone else. If this video opened your eyes to why your legs are getting weaker, hit that like button. Subscribe to Inspired Living for more muscle-saving insights. Type 1 if you're committed to trying at least one of these foods tomorrow. Type 0 if you think your current breakfast is fine. Your future independence depends on this choice. This information is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have diabetes, kidney disease, or take medications that affect potassium or blood sugar. Remember, every morning you're either building muscle or losing it. There's no middle ground after 60. Choose wisely. Your legs will thank you. Start tomorrow. Save your strength. Save your independence.